Decluttering plus photographer equals a photo shoot with all my trash. Hey guys, my name is Abby, and no, this is not a fashion channel, but because I have been looking like a hobo recently, I have decided to declutter my closet. And because I am a photographer and I'm giving you guys photo tips and content creation tips as bloggers and influencers, I have decided to do a little twist. So I'm going to be doing a little photo shoot with some of the pieces that I don't like, so make sure you stay till the end to see if I keep anything. Okay, the closet is obviously way too small, so I'm going to put everything on the bed. Okay, I grabbed these two things first, and I do have this dress from Shop Area Rose, and I've only worn it like once, but it's actually not my favorite because it's a lot duller than I thought it would be, and it matches my skin tone too much, and I don't really like the florals, but because it was so expensive, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. So what I'm realizing, guys, is I have been talking about style guides and being on brand and all of that, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job, but when I look at my closet, all of this, I am afraid. I need to make sure that I'm really embodying what I want to be, and this shirt, I look like a duke in it, and I actually stole it from my mom's closet. One last photo shoot and we're good. If I haven't said this yet, I am putting all the good stuff down here and all the bad stuff over here. Okay guys, going through all my clothes and decluttering, I want to make sure that I actually don't keep everything again. So number one, I'm asking myself, how often do I wear this item, or when was the last time I wore it? And then second is, when I did wear it, how did I feel? Imagine wearing it again. How would it make you feel right now if you were wearing it? And then third is, how does it fit? Is it actually comfortable? Okay, so I'm trying not to choose all the cutesy stuff to toss out for the photo shoot, but you know, I'm human. I am attracted towards the cute ones first. But I have this bohemian top from Belk's from a long time ago, and I honestly don't see myself wearing it anymore. This one's really cute, but honestly, like, I don't think it fits me anymore, fam. Like, maybe last photo shoot. Okay, with everything that I am decluttering from my closet, I am going to put it on my Instagram or give it to my cousins in the Philippines. No. Yes. Yes, I love this dress so much. So cute. I love the top, the color, the print, everything about it. I bought these pants from Poshmark for New York, and while it seemed right and fitting for that season, I don't think it fits South Carolina. Okay, so I've always been drawn to vintage and bohemian style, but because I am in the South, I have been influenced with a lot of Southern sweetness. But I am looking for this vibe right here, and hopefully we can achieve that in 2021. When I talk about the style I'm going for like that Spanish bohemian look, and yes, and I think yes. This one makes me look like a matron of honor and also like a dead fish, so no. This one makes me look like a prisoner, so I am gonna give it a wink. Okay, that candle almost killed me and burned my house. Okay, I forgot that I had these in my closet, and I thought I was done, and I also have my dresser. Bonus content. Another issue is I don't know, because this is spring season and I'm not really sure, but I feel like I don't like them, so I'm gonna put them in the maybe pile. Okay, I don't have a lot of fancy clothes, but I have accumulated some from school. I like this one. It's like a disco ball. Should I do a photo shoot with it? Okay, one last thing is this coat from Stitch Fix, and it reminds me of either Beauty and the Beast, me being the Beast, not Beauty. Also Paddington Bear, I guess, I don't know, with like a yellow jacket. I'm gonna do a photo shoot with it before I return it, because why not? Not gonna lie, I feel bougie in this, but I also look very Russian. Okay guys, thank you so much for helping me declutter my closet and also my dresser, but I'm actually going to split this video into 2 parts, and the second part will have the behind the scenes for my photo shoots with my trash, or not trash, I'm sorry, I like them, but you know what I mean. Things that I want to get rid of. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you can watch that video because it's going to be so fun. And if you liked it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other rooms you want me to look at and declutter and do a photo shoot with. Instagram versus reality.